A couple of weeks ago, I showed you how I painted my watercolor seascape. And today I'm going to show you a bonus round of how I added an easy sailboat into my seascape painting. Oftentimes I like to swatch out my colors and practice on a scrap piece of watercolor paper. On this same piece of paper, I sketched out my sailboat and practiced my painting techniques. I'm using a bit of Payne's gray for my sail, and I'm practicing with a wet on dry technique. Here I've added a little bit of my Prussian blue to my Payne's gray. And now I'm painting in the boat. It doesn't have to be perfect. Here I'm adding a little bit of reflection to the water. And I wanted to darken up the sail just a tad bit. So I'm going over it again with a deeper Payne's gray. At first I thought I might like to add some warmth to my painting, but I decided against this later. So here we have our sailboat sketched. To load my brush a little bit more with some pigment. And there you have it, an easy watercolor sailboat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly watercolor tutorials. Your support helps me bring more creative projects like this one to life. Happy painting and see you next time.